What happens to your money if the bank where you've deposited it fails? This is a question that you ask me very often. Well, we need to clear things up a bit on this topic. If I leave my money in a current account or a savings account, it's only guaranteed up to a certain point, specifically up to 100,000 francs. In fact, if you have 300,000 francs in your account and the bank fails, you'll see two-thirds of it vanish. If, however, this money is in financial products or is invested, whether in shares, funds, or other instruments, then it's separate from the bank's balance sheet. So, if the bank were to fail, there's no problem at all. Someone else will step in to guarantee your funds. Or, in any case, your funds can be moved to another bank. When it comes to investments, clearly a whole world opens up because there are thousands and thousands of different financial instruments. So it's clear you shouldn't go looking for exotic solutions for magical returns. Often, you can stick to very simple strategies that have worked for 50 years without needing to reinvent the wheel. Fundamentally, what you have to contend with is volatility, and that depends on your risk profile. If you have a more aggressive risk profile, you can afford wider fluctuations in your portfolio, clearly to earn much more in the long run. If, on the other hand, you're calm, conservative people who just want to beat inflation, then you'll clearly have much lower fluctuations. It's up to your advisor, however, to try and identify the most suitable profile and the most appropriate investments for your personal situation. Naturally, one thing that makes a difference is the time horizon. So if I have a short horizon because I have major expenses to face, it's clear I can't take a certain risk. Whereas if I don't expect to need this money for over 10 years, I can afford to make slightly more speculative investments.